Hello guys, we're back with another game of the universe sandbox. Oops, I just made a little mistake here, but I begin like that, so. Now, in this video, we are going to do always the collisions because, yeah, uh, people like collisions, so let's just do billions of collisions. And now, it will be really big day because it will be always collisions, non-stop collisions. And something like that. Oops, they collided right now, and the biggest damage did the moon did the biggest damage of all time. Now let's just surface. Oh, okay. Let's just explode this one now, and now let's go to the Venus and launch. Okay, this one. And just slow it down. And I think it's going to crash, right? Yeah. And let's just do a billion of them. Oh, Venus already lit up. Okay. As you can see around the planet, it's a little bit dark, but I know you see it because I can also see it. It's really bright right over here. It's a little bit of like red, and that's how you know it's hot without even looking right over here. And then now let's wait until billion of this crash. Boom, 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 boom. It looks like a bombardment. It does actually. Alright. And now let's just summon some other planets into the solar system. Now let's just do between Uranus and the Saturn's orbit. Let's just collide billion of this, like billion carat 7Bs. It's very hot planet. As you can see, it's oh my thousand, more than 1,000. Even hot. I think no, it's not hotter than Proxima Centauri, right? Yeah, it's not hotter than Proxima Centauri. Alright, now we spawned a countless of those. I can still count, but it will take almost an eternity. But now good news is the collision. Everything is swarming into the middle. Oh, yeah, we made a giant planet, which is 19,000 degrees big. I'm just kidding, it's not big, it's hot. Where's the card 7B? Like this. 17,000 degrees. Okay, now let's just yeah, slow it down. I mean, fast it up. Wait, whoa. I don't see anything here, so let me just do like this. Oh, it doesn't work in the newest version of it now. Alright, like this. Let's just do a neutron star. Oh, I forgot, and neutron stars are like really small stars. Like a couple of miles or something like that. But it has got twice as mass of the sun. Alright, it's let me just view right over here. Surf it. Are those jellos right now? Alright, I know a better location how to do it. It's all rock. Let's just yeah, do like this. This is not even the size of Pacific Ocean. This is like the size of Earth. Alright, let's just end it with an explosion. Okay, that looks like something. Polar is AB. No, we don't need that. I think let's just do Jupiter to do it. Its own job. The core. Okay. Now, are you serious? Then we have to explode Jupiter. So let's just explode it, no problem. Or let's just do billion of these. Boom, 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 boom. It looks like infinite clones of universes. And versus, should we do Venus? Should we do Venus? Oh yeah, okay. Let's just do Earth's evil twin, Venus. And countless Earths versus countless Venus. Who will win? Okay, we just yeah, this was really fast, but I think you can enjoy this. And Venus is already going there. Now, if you don't know, Venus's atmosphere, no, ground. Here it is. Oh yeah, 92 masses of the Earth. No. And this is entire Venus's ground. There is not even a single piece of ice on the Venus. And there it is. Oh, okay. It's going into this mass center. And now I think it's going to crash. Let me just get a slow-mo over here. Yeah, like this. Or not. Or not. Like this. Oh, 5,000. This looks like a supernova. And this looks like a void. Does it actually? It does look like, this looks like a supernova and this looks like a void, cold void. Now let's just see Earth's surface temperature. I don't know even what's happening right over here. Alright, this is all the destruction. This is all the destruction there is. This destruction is bigger than our sun, but not bigger than Betelgeuse. Alright, let's just clean this up with a Betelgeuse. And now let's just, yep. Now let's just do countless EOs. Boom, 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 boom. Like a classic Protoss. Well, okay, like this. Now what do we do? Is Europa smaller than this? Yeah. Or Ganymede is bigger than that. So let's just do Europa for a second. Oops. Alright. Let's just slow down the time, okay? Now, yep, they're moving and grooving. Alright, Europa, right over here. As I did, I said, if you press ASWD, you can just move your spaceship or whatever is it, camera, like this. Let's just speed up time. Oh, they merged together in those two. And the fragments do slow you down. Alright. Now who will win, Europa or Io? I think Io looks like more bigger. Yep. What did I say? Alright, now let's just clean this up because I don't like seeing this. Here we go with the Betelgeuse. And now Callisto. Oh, should we do... Oh, Titan. Let's just do Callisto and Titan. It looks like nothing, so let's just yeah. Do something like this, like the galaxy of Titans. Not that much galaxy, but yeah, galaxy. Galaxy is size of like Milky Way or something like that. Galaxy is like this size, this size, or even this size. And this is just nothing. And finally we're back. Alright, let's just clean this up with Beetlejuice. Where is it? Here it is. And how's Titan still in... What? It lives inside of a store. That sometimes can happen. Now it will not survive. Wait, what? Alright, here we go. It deleted it. Let's just do Kepler 62f. Like this. There's a random 62f's. Kepler 62f. Oops, sorry about that. Now let's just do 69C's. Okay, I love mega collisions, like doing it in the universe sandbox. Oh, Kepler 62e looks like an ice world. I mean, this entire mass of the planets almost equals... Oh my... Almost equals the sun size. So let's just, I think it's very fast, right? Yep. Alright, collision happening. They're all moving into the center of the entire planet grid. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god. I like it. How long we are? Oh, 12 minutes. Okay, not bad. Let's just destroy it with the sun now, because that's enough. I said to delete yourself. Okay. Now let's just do sun right over here. And then collide with the Barnard star. Let's see the collision of these two monsters. I think the only thing that will happen is sun gets hotter. Oh my... What? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's 258,000 Kelvin. And how many Fahrenheit? 462. And Celsius, 257. Alright. We don't need that one anymore. Let's just do like Planet 9 collision. Oh, this is actually an ice giant that humans think to do, not to do, like that doesn't exist. Planet 9 like this doesn't exist in the solar system. Whoops. Alright, 51 pegabee size of the 5 Planet 9s. Alright, let's just do a collision. Alright, is Neptune... Wait, where's Neptune? Alright, Neptune is right over here. Let's just do a cube of this, like this one, what I am doing right now, of ice giants. Okay, now let's just, the smallest ice giant here is a Planet 9, and the biggest one is Uranus. Alright, it begins from Planet 9 to Neptune, and then to the Uranus. Wait, what should we do in the... Wait, we should do something else in the middle. Like chord sound B will be enough. Alright, let's just slow down the time, okay? And now collision starts. I think everything will go into the middle again. And is Uranus the size of the Saturn right now? It's bigger than Jupiter. Oh wait, is it? Yes, it is. It's bigger than Jupiter. Bigger than also Saturn, but not bigger than 51 Peg B. Alright, let's clean it up with the big monster over here. Alright, now what should we do? Okay, let's do Countless Titans again. Or not. Yeah, let's do Countless Titans, but let's do something else now. The other one that we haven't tried. Mercury. Like, Titan is bigger than Mercury. Like, right over here. Let's just do cluster of Mercuries right over here. And Titans will win. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's the core of the giant Mercury thingy. And then, now let's do Titans. Now let's do the core right over here and then out later. And now let's just go. Alright, what are the Mercuries doing? Okay, let's look to the Titans, yeah. What? Why is Titan like this? Is that a custom Titan? Let me 0 grams. Let's just increase in atmosphere. Yeah, like this. It's already colliding. Alright, let's look to the Mercuries. Alright, there they are. I don't like going into the fragments, so let me just do like this. Okay. Mercuries versus Titans. 1.2. Ooh, Mercury I think is going to win here because it doesn't have got that much mass. And Titan. Titan doesn't have got that much mass. Mercury has got like 1.2 masses of the Earth. Alright, let's just force them. Yeah, let's just explode Titan, Mercury, and Mercury. Alright, I don't like this destruction right over here, so let's just, delete it with the big boy. Okay, 18 minutes, okay. Like this. Neptune, don't you get away from me. Alright. Now what do we do? Neptune. Like a whirlpool. Yeah, it does look like whirlpool. Versus Uranus again. Yeah, whirlpool of Uranus. Alright, like this. Oh, that's too fast. Alright, now the masses are going to pull them, right? Okay. Neptune won this one. Because there's no more Neptunes left here, and then only Neptune left here is this one. So big one. So small ones cannot do anything. So Neptune won this one against Uranus. And I have to say something. Do you know that Uranus is bigger than Neptune? Yeah, I'm not kidding. Uranus is bigger than Neptune. Alright, now Jupiter's. I'm not auto-clicking. I'm just clicking it so fast. Alright, let's just do a new one. Alright, now let's go with the beautiful Earth that is going to get crushed. That is going to get crushed, I know. And let's just do like this. Let's just slow down and then let's go. Alright, this looks like some rotation over here. Oh, okay, it started. Alright, some rotation. Another started. These poor people, man, here. Would like to see destruction. Oh, it's going into -2 Celsius. Okay. Oh, okay. That is more cooler than Celsius. Wait, let me just see from this planet. Like, let me see from Canada. Oh, this was very fast. Imagine going out from the house, looking in the sky, and you see this. And I'll be like, oh, okay, I'm going to like leave here. I'm going to leave and go to the sun. Oh. We made a binary system of the planets. Alright, we made a binary system. It looks like a boulder running around the planet. It looks like so. Yeah, I was thinking, perfect pause right there. That is a perfect pause right there. I was doing this something like, oh, it looks like a boulder. Let me find some continents, and then this happens. Alright. I'm not done. Alright, 22 minutes, not bad. Let me just make Mars over here to crash. Alright, let's just make a new one. Let's just do Earth again. Oops, I'm close to the Europe. And now, what will happen if Halley's comet falls? Or let's just do Pallas. Well, what will happen if Pallas falls into the Atlantic Ocean? No. We didn't get a clean shot, but it did a lot of damage. Okay. Alright, now here it is, the perfect one. Like, close to it on the satellite view. Satellites from there are like, when did this collision happen? Alright, now let's do Halley's comet. Where it is? Alright, there it is. Now let's just drop it into the Caspian Sea. Alright, Halley's comet is falling into the Caspian Sea. I know it will not fall into the Caspian Sea because the rotation of the Earth is doing something else. And this is what happens if Halley's comet falls onto the Earth. Alright, let me just wait. What will happen if it fall on Moon? Alright, right over here. This is a perfect one. Alright, now there it is, the Moon. And now let's launch. I did not set that. Let's launch a Halley's comet on it. The most famous comet of all time. Don't run away from me. Alright. The fragments are going. be more easier if I do like this, because okay, that I like this. This looks like a rainbow. Now I have to tell you about the future video, which is new game like Universe Sandbox, but I don't know how to place planets, so it's beautiful. It's beautiful thing, like you can just get land on them. Like you can also land in Halley's comet. Alright, now it's going to approach moon like in few seconds. Now let's just see what thing this Halley's comet can do. I guess it's going to do very good. Alright, it's happening. Oh, okay. Wow. And it already did this. It looks like a nuclear bomb. It looks like a nuclear bomb. Wait, what if we just throw satellite at it? Because satellite... Wait, is satellite smaller than Halley's comet? I think it is smaller than Halley's comet. Yes, it is. It's smaller. Wait, this is centimeters. This is centimeters. I don't need that. I mean, I need like meters, like 12 meter thingy. Alright, it's still nothing for the Halley's comet. That's one Halley's comet. Now imagine everything from the every side falls onto the moon. And now satellite is approaching and it did nothing. Now let's do a real collision. Phobos, Deimos, Mimas, Enceladus, like this, and then this is... It's melting the surface of the moon. Alright, Enceladus, going. It looks like... Let me just decorate it more a bit. Like this. Now it's more better. Ah, not again. Let's just do it on the bottom. Like this. I made a smile face. If Enceladus doesn't reach this... Yeah, it will not. Alright, now let's do a big and final collision. But yeah, I know it will take a long time, so we will be back after this break. I think this shall be enough for the final collision. Alright, now let's do a final collision right over here. Alright, the planets are getting bullied by the bigger ones. Everything is going pulled into the middle of it. Into the middle. Now let's do... Kepler is also moving into the middle. Neptune's do. And going into the massive Jupiter. This Neptune is all going to crash into 51 Big B. Oh, where are the Uranus? Oh, they already crashed. Alright, there was collision happened here. There. I did this final collision right over here, and here you go. Alright, let's end the video. It's time to end the video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and enjoy, because I forgot to tell you that in the new game, the name is Space Engine. It will be so beautiful. In the next video, it would be that game. And we'll see you all next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.